was having an issue with this seat when it was on the ski. It was wobbling back and forth really hard. And I was looking at this, and it has an F on there. Let me zoom in. See the F? I was under the impression that that meant front, which it might be. I'm not 100% sure. But if you flip that and put the F towards the rear of the ski, the seat sits on super tight. And it won't wobble or move at all, rock back and forth. As you can see, you put it on with that bracket that direction. There's zero movement in the seat. Or when I got it, the seat would rock back and forth a lot. So that made it feel a lot more solid just when you're sitting on it.